Welcome to Lion Tour Adventure that talking about Jan monkey family. Jan have 5 children, 4 daughters and 1 son. They are very beautiful now. Would ladies and gentlemen like to take the name to put uh, the baby name? Please enjoy and to put your grandson and granddaughter to be the name from the Jain children. The oldest one is Dasana, second one is Kenneth, the third one is Jenna, but they are gone forever, yeah, for many years ago. Now Jen had only 2 kids to live with her. Jody was a boy. He very smart and he's grown up now. Maybe next year he is going to marry, but this year not yet. Yeah, she will marry next year, I think. Yeah, and Chelsea was a little baby, only a year something, and she's still to drink milk with her mom had a twin pregnant. Yeah, but Jan is going to give the newborn of her baby as soon as possible because someday she labor pain of her baby. She come up and to come down around in the jungle's green natures. Jan usually to stay alone in the jungle nature because she like the peace and quiet. No one harms. Yeah, especially when she give the birth. We never have seen her to give the birth of her baby. She usually into the jungle to get the security for her give to the newborn of her baby, something like that. Yeah. And after a few days later, after finished to give birth, mom usually to bring her baby out of the jungle. Yeah. So Jan was very kindly monkey, especially kindly to a kid like Jessie. She never said to exhausted to her baby. When her baby cry, she usually give her milk and then no cry. But Jessie right now, she left the milk per day or something like that because she usually our Mr. Joy. Perhaps Mr. Joy, her daddy, yeah, Jessie like him very much, more than Jane. Yeah, sometimes, but Jody, he never go to the Mr. Joy. He's scared with Mr. Joy. Yeah, he never met Mr. Joy. Yeah, sometimes he stay too far from the job. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, Jane pregnant more big than usual. and we guessing she has twin, perhaps. Yeah. The fortune teller sometimes people to believe fortune teller sometimes we uh, we don't believe the fortune teller. But Jan almost took you the babies. Yeah, she always stay on the tree. Yeah, very green, very beautiful in the jungle nature. A very nice sound. Yeah, of the bird. Yeah, like the woodpecker, parrot, hiccup, and the cicada. The cicada is noisy. It's called to listen to the Khmer Happy New Year that happened from 14 April until 17 April, finished in 17 April. Yeah. So, would like to say thank you very much for ladies and gentlemen who share, to watch, to subscribe our channel. Blessing you all the best and good luck for you to live a long life. And goodbye. See you later. Yeah.